I just made over $10,000 in the last 7 days on my Shopify dropshipping store without spending a single penny on ads. And today I'm going to show you step by step on how I did this. I'm going to reveal all my secret strategies that helped me not only make $10,000 on this store, but well over $10,000 in all my other dropshipping stores. And I'm going to show you a method without spending any money on ads. The method involves organic traffic from TikTok. Now, to find your winning products, there's 2 ways you can do this. The first method is a free method which also involves TikTok. So you can have what I like to call a burner account, which is like a separate account that you use and you find dropshipping products by training the algorithm. The way to do this is that whenever a dropshipping product shows up on your For You page, make sure you watch till the very end and then keep scrolling until you find other dropshipping products. What this essentially does is train the algorithm to constantly show you dropshipping products. Another way through TikTok is by searching through hashtags like Amazon finds or TikTok made me buy it. What these hashtags allow you to do is find trending dropshipping products. And what you're looking for is a video with good views as well as good engagement. You also need to research the product to see if it's doing well. One way to do that is by using Google Trends to see how popular a product is. This will tell you if it's worth creating a store around the product or not. Now, the other method which I highly recommend, which is a paid method, is by using a product research tool. The one I have used and the best in my opinion is Shop Hunter. This literally guarantees you a winning product without doing any guesswork. The link for Shop Hunter will be in the description. Again, this is what I use for all my dropshipping stores. Now, the next thing that you need to do is create your store. Now, this is extremely important because this is the last hurdle before you take their money. So you need to do this correctly. If this is done incorrectly, customers will just end up leaving your store. So the first thing that you need to do is sign up to Shopify. Now, if you haven't used Shopify before, Shopify is extremely popular with dropshippers. It's very easy to use and allows you to set up your website in only a few hours. The next thing that you need to do is to have a logo, which you can create using Canva. Canva is amazing for creating your own logos and I use it myself all the time. You can also use those AI websites which will create a logo for you just by typing in a few details. Now, you also need a brand name for your store and a brand name for your product. Now, for this, I like to use ChatGPT and I just type in what I want, and ChatGPT will give me various names that I can use. Now, with the website, there's 3 things that you need to focus on. Firstly, you need to select a theme, and I'll talk about this more later on in the video. Secondly, you need to add products from AliExpress. Now, you can do this. There are various apps that you can use on Shopify, and basically it allows you to import AliExpress products onto your Shopify store. You may also need to change some of the photos because some of the photos on AliExpress aren't great. You can find some quality photos on Google. Thirdly, you need to change the product descriptions to make it engaging. When you transfer products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, you'll normally get loads of information in the description which will also be copied over. So what you need to do is change that completely, and you don't want to flood it with information. Again, you can use ChatGPT for this as well, which is something I do myself all the time, and ChatGPT can sort of make it concise and make it look a little bit more presentable as well. Now, when you're designing the website, don't try to overcomplicate it. Trust me, if you make the design simple but modern, you're more likely to convert. So as I mentioned earlier with Shopify, you need to select a theme. Now, there are so many free themes that you can use, but I know a lot of dropshippers that are using these so-called free themes and they're not making money at all. And in fact, their conversion rates on their store are extremely low. So I'll be honest, if you really do want to make money, you need to invest in a premium theme. Now, you're probably asking, which theme should you select? Which is the best theme to use? Now, I've been using this one particular theme, which I have seen the difference by using it because I've used a free theme on some of my other dropshipping stores, and I then used this premium theme on one of my other dropshipping stores to sort of compare and see how much of a difference it does make. And I'll be honest, the conversion rate on the premium theme has gone through the roof, and it's shown by the figures that I have made so much more money using the premium theme. This has always allowed me to convert on my winning products. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far and you do want more videos like this, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And the theme that I'm talking about is Debutify. Debutify is a fantastic theme that sets the standard for your dropshipping store. It served me well for all my dropshipping stores and has made me so much money. So let me show you guys how you can get this theme. So firstly, make sure you click my link in the description or the pinned comment. Once you click that link, this is the screen that you will see. You then need to click right over here where it says free trial, then sign up using your email address. Once you've signed up and created an account, you then need to sign in to Shopify. Once you've signed up, just copy the URL of your Shopify website and paste it into this box and click verify the URL. After that, just click on connect and get theme. It'll then ask you a few questions, but just download the default theme. Once downloaded, you just drag it over here and add it onto Shopify. It'll then install this theme for you. Now, this theme is honestly amazing and it's so easy to use. You'll see this screen and you can add things like sticky add to cart. You can add and edit the announcement bar over here. You can add your own custom logo and change up the size. size. That's just some of many things that you can do with this theme. This theme allows you to make a simple but effective website which will convert a lot more. Not only that, but they have great 24/7 support. The theme is super quick to use, edit and install, and it's also mobile friendly as well. You can use it to build a one product store, a general store, a print on demand store, or a specific niche brand that you are aiming at. Again, I've used this theme for my product in this video and it's made me well over $10,000. Now I do have a link to Debutify below. The link in my description will provide you 20% off for 3 months to get started. And the best part is you get a 14-day free trial with no upfront costs. So again, make sure to click my link in the description and sign up to Debutify. Now once you've designed your store, this is where you're going to use organic methods to get some traffic onto your store. Now usually I always recommend paid ads, because when it comes to scaling your store, paid ads are always better. But I understand not everyone has budget to spend money on ads. So this is where in this video I used organic methods to promote my store. Now the platforms I recommend using are TikTok and Instagram Reels. You can also use YouTube Shorts, but in my experience it hasn't been ideal. Now what you need to do is once you found your winning product, you need to order it online, and once it's delivered, you need to then start making content around it. You need to create viral content around your product, which will then go viral, which will allow you to then bring traffic onto your store. And if you're struggling to come up with viral content ideas, then the best thing to do is look at TikTok, look at other dropshipping products that have gone viral, and use that same framework to then create your own content around your product. And if you do have extra budget, then I'd recommend using a website called Viral Ecom Ads. These guys will create content around your product of your choice. This not only saves you time, but also saves you from ordering the actual product. Now, whichever method you use, whether you go for the free or the paid route, make sure to constantly upload your videos onto TikTok, as this will give you the best chance for your product to go viral, which in turn will make you sales. Trust me when I say I've made some serious money doing this, and I've just been able to make over $10,000 in only 7 days. And if you follow all the steps that I have outlined for you and genuinely give it a good go, I have no doubt that you could also make some very good money. Now, if you are struggling with dropshipping and you do need some help, well, I have my own Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. And this is a platform where you can learn how to make money online, network with other individuals, as well as learn things like dropshipping. It's my paid platform where I can help you individually and go through step by step on how you can start making money through dropshipping. Now, if you do want to join, make sure to click my link in the description. I've also made several videos on dropshipping challenges, which you will see on your screen right now. So make sure you click one of those videos and I'll see you guys there.